Hello and welcome to Angles and Acid, where we learn things maths and science. In today's video we're going to look at highest common factor and lowest common multiple. So these are the essentials that we use all the time to simplify fractions. So what are they? It involves a little bit of work. So basically highest common factor is the factors, remember the small numbers that can divide the thing nicely. So you make two lists of all the factors. You're basically looking for the common, any commonalities, and you want to pick the highest that you can. This is particularly what you do for fractions when you've got a number above and a number below on the denominator, and you want to try and simplify it down. So what is the biggest number that can divide top and bottom? This is exactly the same principle. It's just sort of abstracted, if you will. So here I've got 24 and 40. So I'm going to look at for all the factors. Obviously 24 will divide itself. 1, obviously 1 divides both of them. So let's see, 24, I can divide it by 2. I can divide that by 3. I can divide that by, I think I can divide it by 4. I can divide it by 6. I can divide it by 8. I can divide it by 12, and obviously 24. With 40, I can divide it by 1, I can divide it by 2, I can divide it by 4, I can divide it by 5. It's divisible by 6, no, 7, no, 8. Yes, divisible by 8. Divisible by 10, yes. Divisible by 15, nope. It's divisible by 20. And it's divisible by itself. Okay, so I've made the list of all the factors. It took me a really long time, and I'm sure you guys are much quicker at it than I am. But basically you want to try and find the biggest one that's common on both of those lists. So I know that 8 is common to both lists, and that's basically it. So the highest common factor for 24 and 40 would be 8. And so you can use that to try and cancel out and simplify fractions. Let's do lowest common multiple. So here you got to go the other way. So we're looking for commonalities that are bigger than themselves. So let's start listing all the multiples of 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, and so on. Let's do some multiples of 12. So I got 12, I got obviously itself. I can get 24, I can get 36, I can get 48, I can get 60, I can get, 60, that'll work. So the lowest common multiple of both of those will be 60. And that's very simple. So that's all there is to the video. I'm going to leave you with some things to practice and leave in the comments down below. So for those two questions, type your answer. And if you get it right, if you're the first one, or if the first one I see on my list, I will give you a heart symbol to show that, yes, you got it correct. And then others can check their answers against yours. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for sticking around. All right, bye.